4 years ago, around that time, that's when I actually noticed myself, thinning out a lot more.
I started noticing that his hair started like getting thin, and I asked him like why, like what's going on. He says, "Oh, I'm just losing my hair."
There was a lot of things going through my head, should I just shave it or?
He's the last one out of the house. It took him, I don't know, maybe about an hour.
Yeah, I'm not able to just get ready like a regular person with a lot of hair would do.
He didn't really feel confident jumping in a pool.
Going to the beach. I'm afraid of, my hair just, the wind blowing and you can notice how thin it is.
He had like a lot of hair, but now it's all gone. I got, scared.
I talked to my wife about it, and she had been telling me about, taking that next step. And after a while, I was just I gave in. I said, you know what, I'm ready. Yeah, I said, it's not gonna hurt me.
I think it looks good, and I feel happy because since now he can like be more comfortable with doing more activities with me, so that would be fun.
Looking forward, to living a normal life again, doing the activities that I've always wanted to do, just not having to think twice about it, jumping in the pool, going out fishing on the boat, on the rides and Six Flags with my son or, the family, just things that would stop you, working out, running. I mean, it put a stop to that, for me. And now, the way I see things, the way I see my hair, I'm like, there's no way I'm stopping. I'm going to continue to move forward and enjoy what I have now.